Yo, people, welcome back to episode 4 of the Bud and Grub Show Summer Sessions with Jay and Mr. E. I got something special for y'all today. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to make probably some of the best damn bread pudding you done ever had in your life. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and start. First up, we're gonna go ahead, take our milk. Don't mind the color, some very potent purple milk. Mix the milk, plus a little bit of that secret stuff, that other secret stuff. This shit really gonna be like double potent. Stir that for a minute, let it get a nice little simmer to it. Get that oil stirred into the milk, and while that cook up, get ready to simmer. We're gonna go ahead and cut this bread. It's that same braided brioche from the last one. Amazing, still amazing. Probably need a few more. We're gonna get about 6 containers, 6 little trays, so. Got some eggs here too that's gonna go with it. Pour them into your sugar and cinnamon mix. Supposed to let these soak for about an hour. That way the bread gets really the best flavor. We could say an hour pass. You know, we're gonna flip the screen, say an hour pass, and we just gonna go with that. But y'all know we ain't no fucking hour. Y'all know that. We got our oven preheated to 350. After you done waited your hour, and now you're gonna let them cook for about. And in the meantime, I'm also gonna show y'all the topping that we're gonna use. I'm gonna show y'all how to make that as well. All right, y'all. Y'all see the bread puddings, fresh out the oven. Amazing. 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 Go ahead and dump that out. So next, we're gonna go ahead, add a topping to it. You know it needs some type of custard on top of it as well. So I'm gonna take my sugar, mix it with my egg yolks, just egg yolks, not a full egg, so no egg white. And like I said last time, you don't wanna mix these two together until your cream is to the temperature that you want it, because these will cook and your eggs will start to coagulate a little earlier than you want them to. So a little bit. And I'm gonna drop it all right back into the pot. You don't wanna rush it because your eggs will cook again and everything will curdle when you done wasted everything. And just until it thickens. Once it thickens, you can touch it, coat the back of the spoon. You will notice, you see how it's dripping now. Soon, it won't be dripping at all. Go ahead, take your spatula and run your finger right through it. See the mark stay, the finger mark stay. If it wasn't ready, it'll come back together, so stick enough. Do a quick little strain. Careful, it's hot, but you just wanna, you know. So you just wanna really try and strain anything, all the chunks out, any extra sugar, any egg that probably really didn't get cooked thoroughly like everything else. We got the creme anglaise strain. The bread pudding. Y'all go ahead and get this drizzle, man. For a little decoration. Gonna also add a little powdered sugar. A real blizzard. Now usually, you could put some tuile on here. The tuile cookie, same as you did with the creme brulee. But ain't nobody had time for that shit today. Nobody. So, here you go. This shit looks amazing. Amazing. And to try this, just so y'all know I ain't boasting, I got somebody else. My boy Trey from Happy Turkey Inc. podcast. Y'all make sure y'all check them out. So no biased opinions. We got another tester in here today.
Yeah, no, it was really the blizzard at the end for me when he just
man.
Once again, Chef J in the kitchen. They really called it this, man. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't really know how to.
We're gonna make sure Mr. E get him a bite too, cause this shit just look amazing. Look at this shit, man. So look, brioche bread. You ask what to do with it other than make you a basic sandwich, some basic but non-basic French toast. You go ahead and do this. Make you some amazing ass bread pudding, my style. We need a new name for it. I done did something new to it, we need a new name for it. We're gonna sit and ponder on that though. We're gonna smoke another one and figure out what we're gonna do with it. But yeah, creme anglaise from scratch, bread from scratch. Y'all see how we doing it here, man. Come on, man. Episode 4, Bud and Grub Summer Sessions. Mr. E. Shout out Trey from Happy Turkey. Make sure y'all check out the Happy Turkey Inc. podcast. Shout out